Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
So you make us watch a video of congruence.
Sorry, you? Acha. You? What? Sorry.
Sir, a video of congruence.
Congruency. Okay. Okay. I showed you a video of.
Sir, I want to ask where we have to send our projects.
Sorry.
Sir, in afternoon till from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Sir, but where we have to send it?
Send it on the group.
Sir, it will not come, sir. On group, it will, sir, mostly come to 2.5 minutes.
No, beta, I'm
Sir,
sorry.
if we send on WhatsApp, the quality will be the quality will be sir, less. So we can upload on YouTube and then sir share the link of that YouTube video.
Beta, I will have to confirm from Smriti ma'am about it. Only then I can tell you. So what are the instructions given till now about this? अभी तक कुछ बताया गया?
No, sir.
और ये टाइम वाली बात किसने बताई है?
So Smriti ma'am posted a message on the group.
What was the message?
So that we have to send our video from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. between 3 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Okay. You have to send your video between 3 p.m. on which day? What is the final date?
Sir, today.
Today.
So today only you have to send all your videos between 3 to 8 p.m. Okay. So this I will have to ask whether you have to upload it directly on WhatsApp or you have to first upload it on YouTube and then share the link. I don't know about it. I think you can do both. Matlab any one of the two options.
Ma'am, I asked ma'am.
But so what is she saying?
Sir, I have asked right now only, sir.
Okay,
She has
so
not
she will
replied
reply.
now.
She has not replied yet. Okay, so yeah, everyone, we have till now what we have done in the chapter congruence. We are doing the chapter.
Nothing.
Sir, nothing. Sir, we have only seen the video.
We have started the chapter congruence of triangles. लेकिन अभी तक हमने क्या पढ़ा है इसमें? We have studied that two triangles or any two figures are congruent when their shape and size is same. जब उनका shape और size exactly same होता है, then only the two figures are congruent to each other. In case of triangles, the same concept is there. When two triangles are exactly same in shape as well as in size, then we say that the two triangles are congruent to each other. Now, whenever two triangles are congruent, all the sides of the two triangles are equal and all the angles of the two triangles are equal. That means if I draw a triangle here and name this triangle as ABC, another triangle PQR, the two triangles are exactly same in shape as well as in
No,
size.
sir.
अरे थोड़ा बहुत हो सकता है यार, तुम तो बिल्कुल वो लेके बैठ गए इसमें, स्केल और पेंसिल प्रोटेक्टर लेके बैठे हो।
Sir, first one is smaller than second one.
अरे
Yes, the second one is bigger.
अरे यार मतलब एक
Yes, sir.
हाथ से बना रहा हूँ यार, ठीक है। So side, if I tell you that side AB is side equal to side PQ, AC is equal to PR and BC is equal to QR. So all the three sides are equal as well as angle B is equal to angle Q, angle A is equal to angle B, and angle C is equal to angle R. That means all the three angles are also equal.
Sir, I want to ask.
Sir, so these triangles are congruent.
Then
Sir, I want to ask one.
रुक जाओ बेटा रुक जाओ. If all the three sides are equal in both the triangles, all the three corresponding angles are also equal, then we say that the two triangles are congruent to each other. Congruent का symbol देख लीजिए. क्या बनाया? एक equal to बनाया और उसके ऊपर एक wave बना दी. So this is the symbol of congruency. Got it? क्या होता है symbol? Equal to के ऊपर wave बना देंगे.
Okay, sir.
So this is the symbol of congruency. We can say that the two triangles are congruent. हाँ भी उत्कर्ष पूछो.
Sir, now may I ask, sir, when sir you have drawn on the line AB you have drawn one dash, and AC you have drawn two dash, and BC you have drawn three dash. But when sir, sometimes you draw, sir, everywhere two dash, two lines.
मतलब here you need to say I have drawn two dash here on AC and on PR. मतलब ये है कि side AC is equal to side PR. जहाँ पे टू डैश है यहाँ पर भी टू डैश है. That means these two sides are equal. यहाँ पर सिंगल डैश है यहाँ पर भी सिंगल डैश है. That means side AB is equal to side PQ. यहाँ पर ट्रिपल डैश लगाया मैंने, ट्रिपल 1 2 3. Here also there is triple dash. That means these two sides BC and QR are equal to each other. इसीलिए.
Okay, sir.
Same is for the angles. Angle के केस में मैंने एक बार एंगल बनाया, यहाँ पर भी एक बार बनाया है. That means angle B is equal to angle Q. यहाँ पे दो बार बनाया है, यहाँ पर भी दो बार बनाया. That means angle A is equal to angle P, and angle C is equal to angle R. Okay. So this is the basic concept of congruency. Now it is not necessary to prove that all the sides and all the angles are equal. If you want to show that the two triangles are congruent, for this I will show you another video. In this video, if you watch it carefully, you will understand what are the necessary conditions to prove that two triangles are congruent. So the first condition for this is triple S. Watch the
Sir,
video.
please tell the congruency of kite you were telling.
अभी बेटा बाद में ही पढ़ना वो. आज तो तुम्हें वीडियो अपलोड करना है. अभी तो बेसिक्स ही नहीं पता है तो काइट की कॉन्ग्रुएंसी कैसे पढ़ोगे? तो अभी तो हम लोग बेसिक्स पढ़ रहे हैं बिल्कुल. ठीक है, काइट की कॉन्ग्रुएंसी बाद में पढ़ लेंगे. समझ में नहीं आएगा बिकॉज वी हैव नॉट स्टडीड द बेसिक्स. ओके,
Okay,
so
sir.
watch the video, all of you.
Are two triangles congruent? We know that all the corresponding angles have to be congruent, and all the three corresponding sides also have to be congruent. But to find out if they are congruent, do we need to compare all six elements of each triangle, three sides and three angles? Do we need to know all of them? Not necessarily. Know if two triangles are congruent, we do not need to compare all six elements of each triangle.
Is it audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sound is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Necessarily. Know if two triangles are congruent, we do not need to compare all six elements of each triangle. There are a few conditions that will help us to know if two triangles are congruent. The first one is called the triple S congruence condition, where S stands for side. Two triangles are congruent if three sides of one triangle are respectively equal to the three sides of the other triangle. What does this exactly mean? Move to a new page to understand. We need to construct a triangle with sides 3, 5, and 7 centimeters. It would look something like this: 3, 5, and 7. Now let's construct another triangle with sides 3, 5, and 7 centimeters. This is how it would shape out: 3, 5, and 7 centimeters. These two triangles will surely be congruent. If you try constructing them in your notebook, you will see that they will be of the same shape and size. That's the triple X condition. If three sides of a triangle are respectively equal to the three sides of another triangle, the triangles will surely be congruent. Seems obvious, huh? Then here's an interesting question for you. Will the AAA congruence condition work? Then has been asked to construct a triangle with the measure of the angles at 45, 45, and 90 degrees. AAA simply means that three angles of each triangle are given. So he draws a triangle which looks like this. The measures of the angles are 45, 45, and 90 degrees. And then Zara was asked to construct a triangle with the measures of the angles at 45, 45, and 90 degrees. The same measures as the angles of the previous triangle. So Zara constructs a triangle like this, the angles measuring 45, 45, and 90 degrees. Are the triangles congruent? We can clearly see that their sizes are different, which means they are not congruent. So the AAA condition for congruency may or may not work. It could have worked because there was a chance that Zara would have drawn the exact same triangle as Zen's. But the XXX condition will always work. We will look at more conditions that will always work in the coming videos.
So have you understood what is the condition for proving
Yes, sir.
congruency?
Yes,
Triple
sir.
S.
The first
Yes,
condition,
sir.
Yes, sir.
if you construct two triangles of same sides, then definitely always the two triangles will be congruent to each other. They will be of the same size, same shape, always. ऐसा पॉसिबल ही नहीं है अगर दो ट्राइंगल्स की तीनों साइड्स अगर आप इक्वल बना दें, then it is not possible to construct triangles which are of different shape or different size. They will always be of same shape and same size. That means the two triangle will always be congruent. अभी अभी इन्होंने एक एग्जांपल दिया था that let us construct a triangle of side 3 centimeters. 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter का एक triangle इन्होंने कंस्ट्रक्ट करा. For example, like this, if you take 5 centimeter side in the base, suppose no sorry 7 centimeter मैंने यहाँ पर बना दिया 7, 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Okay, so this is a triangle. I have taken the side 7 centimeter on the base. आपने ट्राइंगल को कैसे कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है ये आप अभी आगे भी सीखेंगे. You can construct it with the help of compass and pencil and scale. You can construct a triangle which is having three sides like this. Okay, आप कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं. So another way of constructing the triangle with same sides लेकर के मैं एक और तरीके से कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकता हूँ. Like this, if I take the side 3 centimeter in the base and 5 centimeter side on the not on the base here like this 5 centimeter and then the 7 centimeter side like this is 5 and this is 7. Abhi, can you say that the two triangles are not congruent? They will be congruent always. आपको देखने में हो सकता है लग रहा हो that the two triangles are not congruent. ऐसा लग रहा है या these are not congruent to each other? Are they looking
Yes,
like?
sir.
But if you rotate it, इस वाले ट्राइंगल को अगर आप थोड़ा, मैं तो भाई अपने हाथ से बना रहा हूँ. If you draw it in your notebooks with the help of compass, scale and pencil, अगर आप properly इसको draw करेंगे, then you will see that they will be congruent with each other. Same shape और same size के बनेंगे exactly. So if you rotate it a little bit, कितना rotate करें, थोड़ा सा rotate कर देते हैं about nearly about somewhat 90 degrees, more than 90 degrees. थोड़ा सा मैंने इसको ऐसे करके rotate कर दिया and then इसको उठा करके जब मैं इसके ऊपर रखूंगा, then you will see that they will exactly overlap each other. एक दूसरे को overlap करेंगे, cover कर लेंगे exactly. That means the two triangles will be congruent to each other. मेरी बात समझ में आ रही है मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ? Are you all able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't matter आप कोई भी साइड को बेस में लेकर के बना देंगे. If the sides are equal, then the two triangles will be congruent to each other. This was your first criteria, triple S. याद हो गया? What is the name? Triple S का meaning क्या है? Side, side,
Side, side, side.
Side.
Yeah. Let us move on to the next criteria of congruency. Just wait for a minute. Let me show you the video for it. Okay.
In the previous video, we understood the triple S congruence condition. Let's remove the S in between and understand the SAS condition for congruency. As you would have already guessed, SAS means side angle side. But there's something important we need to know here. The angle must be included between the two sides given. We will understand what included means in a bit. First, let's understand what the condition tells us. It says that two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are respectively equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. Let's move to a new page to understand this. Say we have to draw a triangle ABC with the following information provided to us. We have AB equal to 4 cm, BC equal to 5 cm, and angle ABC equal to 40 degrees. The triangle ABC will shape up this way. Angle ABC is 40 degrees, AB is 4 centimeters, and BC is 5 centimeters. Note that the angle is included between the two sides. And if we have triangle PQR with PQ equal to 4 centimeters and QR equal to 5 centimeters, and angle PQR equal to 40 degrees, then the triangle form will be exactly like triangle ABC. Angle PQR is 40 degrees, PQ is 4 centimeters, and QR is 5 centimeters. If we take this triangle over to this one, they will overlap exactly. That is why we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So remember, it's side, included angle, and side. This should make you wonder, would double SA work, side?
This is a very important thing what she is saying right now.
Just remember, it's side, included angle, and side.
मैम जो बता रही हैं यहाँ पर, it is a very important point that the angle should be included between the two sides. मतलब जो दो sides यहाँ पर आपकी equal हैं, for example the side BC is equal to QR and the side AB is equal to QP. The angle should be between the two sides which we are talking about. इन दोनों के बीच वाला एंगल ही होना चाहिए. अगर बीच वाला एंगल नहीं है then you cannot say that the two triangles are congruent to each other. इसके बारे में ये भी और बताएंगी. सुनिए.
This should make you wonder, would double SA work when the angle is not included between the sides? Let's see. We have been given the following data about these two triangles. Look at the data of the first triangle. We have been given AB and AC. The included angle should have been angle A, not B. This is not an included angle, and the figure would look like this. Angle ABC is 40 degrees, AB is 4, and AC is 3. You can see that the angle is not included between the two sides.
Good morning, sir.
Triangle PQR.
Good morning. कौन आया ये?
Sir, Chaitanya Agarwal.
कन्नी बेटा, why are you late?
Sir, I have sent you the link.
हाँ? Sorry.
I have sent you the work. You saw or not?
Which work बेटा?
Sir, of maths.
Okay, the work that I told you to show it to me.
Yes, sir.
Have you completed all your work?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will see. You have sent it on sent it to me on WhatsApp. Watch the video.
AC is 3. You can see that the angle is not included between the two sides. Now let's look at the data of triangle PQR. Can be drawn like this. Angle PQR is 40 degrees, PQ is 4, and PR is 3. Guess what? They will be congruent if drawn like this. But here's the interesting part. There is another way in which triangle PQR can be drawn. Like this. PQ is 4, PR is 3, and angle PQR is 40 degrees. In this case, it is not congruent.
So there are two ways of drawing two triangles where two sides are equal and the angle is not included. Any one angle is equal, but it is not the included one. दो साइड जो यहाँ पर गिवन है, the side AB is 4, side AC is 3, और एंगल कौन सा होना चाहिए था यहाँ पर? It should have been angle A. एंगल A होना चाहिए था जो इक्वल होना चाहिए, but it is not the angle A in this case. It is angle B 40 degrees जो आप यहाँ पर इक्वल बता रहे हैं एंगल Q के. So this makes criteria SSA. It is not SAS. ये क्या condition है? This is SSA. So in this case, there are two ways of constructing triangles. एक और तरीका है जिससे ट्राइंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट किया जाता है. फर्स्ट इज द सेम वे जैसे हमने ट्राइंगल एबीसी कंस्ट्रक्ट करा है, सेम वैसे ही कंस्ट्रक्ट कर देते हैं ट्राइंगल पीक्यूआर. ऐसे केस में तो दोनों ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो सकते हैं, बट देयर इज अनदर वे. इफ यू मेक एंगल आर ऑब्ट्यूज, अगर एंगल आर को आप ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल बना देंगे, still the length of PQ is 4, the length of PR is 3, वहां पर भी यही है, PQ is 4, PR is 3, and angle Q is 40 in both the cases. But in this case now, the second method of drawing the triangle PQR, this is the second method, but it is not congruent to triangle ABC. ये वाला जो है triangle ABC के congruent नहीं है. Although it is satisfying all the given conditions. दो sides equal है, एक angle भी equal है, but still the triangles are not congruent. Because why this is happening? Because SSA is not a valid criteria of proving congruency. अगर आप SSA criteria use कर रहे हैं, that means this is not a valid criteria of proving congruency. ये एक सही तरीका नहीं है. Are you getting my point, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
SAS is a valid criteria.
Yes, sir.
SAS is a valid criteria, but SSA is not a valid criteria. SAS हम कब यूज कर सकते हैं? अगर एंगल बीच वाला है, दोनों साइड जो गिवन है आपकी, उसके बीच वाला एंगल अगर है, then you can use SAS criteria. But एंगल अगर बीच वाला नहीं है और आपने ऐसा करके बता दिया कि SSA criteria यूज करके we can say that the two triangles are congruent, then it is wrong. Okay.
With the triangle ABC, which means that double SA may or may not work.
So this was the second one. Let me show you another one, which is the third one. तो उसका वीडियो क्या दिखाऊं मैं आपको, ऐसे ही बता देता हूं. Now I think you have all have understood क्या होते हैं. तो थर्ड वाले के लिए I will show you on the board. The third one is angle side angle. The third criteria to prove congruency is ASA. Angle side angle. नाम से clear हो रहा है that the side will be between the two angles which are equal. So these are two different triangles. और एक छोटा बना दिया, एक बड़ा बना दिया. triangle ABC and triangle PQR. These are two different triangles. Here, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. And the side BC is equal to the side QR. If this is the case, that two angles are equal in both the triangles respectively, and the included side, इनके बीच वाली जो side है, दोनों angles के बीच में side आ रही है BC, is equal to the side QR, then we can say that the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR.
QR.
Have you understood this property? Very simple.
Yes, sir.
If suppose the side which is equal is not QR, it is PR. Now can we say that the two triangles are congruent to each other? अब हम नहीं कह
No,
सकते.
sir.
अगर ऐसा केस है, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, और BC is equal to PR. अगर ऐसा कहीं हो जाता है, तब आप दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं बुला सकते. तो कोई भी तीन पार्ट्स इक्वल होने से ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं होते हैं. बच्चे ऐसा समझते हैं कि अगर हमने इसके कोई भी तीन पार्ट उसके तीन पार्ट के इक्वल कर दिए, दैट वी कैन से दैट द टू ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, so it should be according to the criteria, according to the condition which is there, which are the valid conditions. पांच कंडीशन होती हैं. कौन कौन सी होती हैं? First is triple S, second is SAS, third is
SAS.
ASA. अभी फोर्थ वाली भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा. And then there is another one, the last one, fifth one. Okay, so five conditions are there. तीन हम पढ़ चुके हैं. ASA is the third one. Angle, side angle. Have you all understood the third one? And
Yes, sir.
now the fifth one.
Yes,
Very
sir.
similar to this one. Fifth one is very similar. Sorry, fourth one. It is very similar to this one. बहुत थोड़ा सा difference है, but है. Fourth one is not given in your book, although, but it is a valid criteria of proving congruency. उसका नाम है angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. That means two angles are there, but the side is not the side which is included between the two angles. ये बीच वाली साइड नहीं होगी. दोनों केसेस में, दोनों ट्राइंगल्स में साइड जो होगी वो इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को छोड़ करके दूसरी साइड होगी. The other side, which is not in between. दोनों केसेस में ऐसा होगा. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि एक में बीच वाली साइड ली और एक में आपने बीच वाली नहीं ली, जो मैंने अभी अभी पीछे एग्जांपल दिया था. If it is like this, angle, angle, side in both the triangles, दोनों triangles में ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. Angle, angle, side मतलब side जो है वो बीच में नहीं आएगी दोनों angles के. दोनों cases में ऐसा होगा, then you can say that the two triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Understood the fourth criteria also, all of you?
Sir, side can be PQ and AB also.
Sorry. Yes,
Sir,
PQ और
that
AB हो
means
सकती है. Yes, you are right. अगर ऐसा कर रहे हैं, I have understood what you are trying to say. अगर ऐसा कर रहे हैं that the side AB is equal to PQ, then also you can say that the triangles are congruent. कह सकते हैं.
okay, sir.
Side, sorry, angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. Yes, congruent. Okay. So this was the fourth one. The last one is RHS, for which I will show you a video. Last criteria. It is known as RHS. Let me find it here.
The only gear I need to win a game of Bed Wars these days is my leather armor and a wooden sword. Not because I'm good, but because I modified the game once again with the help of a little bit of table.
And the most interesting condition for congruence of triangles is called the RAS condition. The other conditions we've seen so far have an S or an A in their name.
So till now we have studied these four conditions. Triple F we have done, SAS we have done, ASA we have done, and angle side also we have done. Now we will do the last one, which is RHS. Okay.
Question 3 for parts have an F or an A in their name, but this one a bit different. Okay, S as we know stands for side, but what about R and H? R stands for right angle. This tells us that the condition will work only for right triangles. What do we have opposite to the right angle? Yes, the hypotenuse. That's your RHS condition. So this condition says that two right triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and one side of a triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and a side of another triangle. Remember, hypotenuse and any other side. Understand this with figures. Suppose we have one right triangle ABC with angles ABC equal to 90 degrees. The length of the hypotenuse is 5 units and that of the height is 3 units. Similarly, if we have a right triangle PQR, right angles at vertex Q, with the same hypotenuse length and side PQ equal to 3, then the two triangles will be congruent. We don't even need to know the length of the other side or any other angle for that matter. We can be sure that these two right triangles are congruent as the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to that of the other. Does it have to be the height? Let's assume that the length of side BC and QR are equal to 4 units each. Will the right triangle still be congruent? Yes, you can be sure that the two right triangles would still be congruent. The condition says hypotenuse and any other side.
Serious and intense than this in the gaming world. While I'm here, I'll get some diamonds. Although I'm not going to use them for now. Let me find knockback. Yeah, spam this because I can. What do we have now? Level 30 knock. Who else is by the middle? Looks like purple team is going towards white. Let's go interfere and involve ourselves. Purple going into the void. Oh, I don't know. This fight is amazing. Oh, it's all to play for here. And I'm going to come in and hit this guy into the void. Now I leave. I picked up some gear.
Okay. Have you all understood the last one also? RHS.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
RHS
sir.
stands
Yes,
for
sir.
right angle, hypotenuse, and side. What is the special case where you can use RHS? What is the most necessary condition for using RHS?
Sir, one angle should be right angle.
Yes, absolutely. सबसे important condition RHS को use करने के लिए क्या है? It should be a right triangle. वहां पर right triangle होना is compulsory. अगर right triangle नहीं है, you cannot use RHS. और ऐसा भी नहीं है अगर right triangle है तो आप RHS को ही use करेंगे. ऐसा नहीं है. If it is a right triangle, it is possible कि कोई और criteria वहां पर कोई और condition use हो जाए. But अगर right triangle नहीं है तो RHS तो पक्का use नहीं हो सकता वहां पर. Okay. I hope you all have understood the last one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you all have to note down some points in your notebooks. क्या note करना है मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. Open page number 195 in your books. Page number 195 open कर लो.
He's the one who was sent to team up on me. Oh yeah, we're definitely going over to him. He's strapping himself at his base and all. Well, this is going to be a good test. Is he going to hit me?
Sir, open.
Oh, he killed him in two. I believe it's the cool kids.
Sir, open.
Dog. Oh, it's a full diamond here. Do you want to fight? Oh, come on, let's fight. I'm going to kill you with this iron axe. Oh,
मिश्रा जी मैच चल रहा है. मैच देख रहे हो?
Oh, he's coming in.
सर वही मुझे भी कहीं से मैच की आवाज आ रही है.
Yes, sir.
Oh, saying that I could do the most obvious thing in the world. Saying nice axe. I'm not.
मिश्रा जी माइक ऑफ करके मैच.
द टेस्ट इंडिया वर्सेस ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
हाँ.
Obviously, I could put efficiency on this. Someone's coming this way. That'll have to wait. Purple team, bad idea, buddy. You're in the void. I'm gonna get rid of this sword. I'm bored of the knockback now. Into the
अरे
okay, well,
मिश्रा जी माइक ऑफ कर लो अपना. सुन नहीं रहे मिश्रा जी. मैच में दिमाग
So
लगाओ.
this means sir Aditya is watching match, not attending class.
Yes, sir.
No, sir, I am attending.
हाँ तो बेटा माइक ऑफ करके मैच देखो दोस्त. आवाज आ रही है. Okay. So yeah, what you have to note down in your copies. Page number 195 open करेंगे सब लोग. 195 page number. Look at this definition. Just after coins के बाद एक definition दिया हुआ है congruent figures. After the coins बने उसके नीचे देखिए below the coins. Congruent figures. This definition is there. ये पूरी definition बस note कर लीजिए एक line की. Congruent figures. उसके बाद mark कर लो पहले उसके बाद note करना. Then come on page number 196. जल्दी आइए एक बार बताऊंगा बस बार बार नहीं. 196 पेज नंबर. हेडिंग देखिए कॉन्ग्रुएंस ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स. मिल गई सबको? पेज नंबर 196 कॉन्ग्रुएंस
Yes,
ऑफ
sir.
ट्रायंगल्स. ये हेडिंग देखिए.
Yes,
Here
sir.
you have to write down the
Yes.
definition. पूरा definition लिखेंगे उसके बाद एक और चीज लिखनी है उसके नीचे जस्ट नीचे after the definition. Thus triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. ये भी पूरा लिखेंगे. एंगल F तक पूरा नोट कर लीजिए. एंगल F तक. Got it? ये पूरा नोट करना है एंगल F तक. And you have to draw the two triangles also. ये figures भी बनाने हैं. Okay? Understood क्या करना है? Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
बस इतना
Yes,
करना है
sir.
उसके बाद मैं आपको बताऊंगा.
Yes, sir.
इतना करिए. Start doing it.
Sir, please repeat. I got disconnected a little bit for little time. Some time.
Now you watch the recording.
Okay, sir.